Good evening, everyone. Billy Jack here. Back home finally after today's long excursion up into the upper Nuuanu Valley stream area. Here's what I wanted to point out to you so I could make sense of where I was earlier today. This is the aqueduct channel. It runs directly up here by the entrance to the Pali outlook. Right up here. Here's where we entered into this area right here and went up the aqueduct to this area. You can see this green area. This is the depression or the basin where the water is channeled and collected where the aqueduct splits. The upper aqueduct channel goes directly over here to underneath the Pali Notches right here. You can see by all the elevations I've put on this map here that the water would have funneled right around directly into this area naturally. Here is where the upper channel goes right next to the Pali Notches A and B. Here's the elevation level on them. This pipe would have had to come up this yellow line here I have. There's high points. Every high point on the side of this mountain I've marked out. You can see where there would have been some type of pump station possibly in here. I'm not sure how they were doing this. This goes directly all the way down. All the way down. Follow this. Keep following the straight line all the way down to this water estuary, sanctuary, marsh area. You can see this is directly across from the Waimanalo turnoff right here. You can see they have several holding tanks here. Here's holding tank B, here's holding tank C, here's the original right here. This is holding tank A. This is where I believe they were loading the water right here in this area. It's where the pump station was. And this channel goes directly to the Pali Notches right here in a straight line. How about that? This set of ruins in here, I believe, had something to do with this pump house station. I'm not sure what the source of power was for this, or if this was a ram pump, or if this was an electric pump, how they did this. This is an ingenious system somebody has devised here. This whole area may have been some type of containment, a natural freshwater containment area. You can see they were working with several different ones. As you look up in here, you can see how they had diverters coming in from this Monowilly stream area, how they were diverting these to fill up these ponds here. There's another diverter area. Billy Jack over and out.